There's a moment in life when you stop chasing. Not because you don't care anymore, but because you finally love yourself enough to walk away. If he couldn't see your worth, let him feel your absence. Let silence be your loudest roar. You were never asking for too much. You were just asking the wrong person. Don't let someone treat you like you're ordinary. When you were born to be extraordinary, darling, you are the fire. And anyone who cannot handle your flames shouldn't dare stand near your warmth. Stop explaining your value to people who are blind to it. Let them feel the void your presence once filled. Walk like you own the ground beneath you. Because you do. You don't need his approval. You need your peace. You gave love, you gave time, you gave loyalty. And what did you get in return? Silence? Excuses? Half effort? But that ends now. Now is your rebirth. You rise, not for revenge, but for respect. You don't beg to be loved, you become the love. So strong, so powerful, that losing you hurts. Let him feel the space where your laughter used to echo. Let him wake up and realize you were the light in his dullest days. And now it's gone. Don't call, don't text, don't check in. Your energy is no longer free. You were never his option, you were the prize. And he fumbled it. So walk, with grace, with power. With your head held high, let your silence say everything. Because when a queen leaves the room, the whole palace feels empty. He thought you would always stay, that you would always forgive, that love meant you had no limits. But now he'll learn that your love had a boundary, and he crossed it. Make him feel the nights you cried, not by yelling, but by glowing. Become so untouchable in your healing that he questions every choice he made. He didn't lose a girl. He lost a woman who would have built an empire with him. A woman who saw greatness in his flaws. A woman who gave more than she got. Let your growth speak louder than your grief. Don't chase closure. Be your own closure. The lesson isn't in the pain, it's in the rising. You're not the one who lost. You're the one who learned. You didn't fail at love. You outgrew a situation that didn't serve you. You have the right to walk away from anything that disrespects you. From anyone who doesn't see your light. You were a blessing in his life, and now you're gone. And that will burn. You don't need closure from him. You need clarity from yourself. You stayed too long out of love, but now you're leaving out of strength. Be the woman he remembers in silence, in regret, in the quiet 2 a.m. moments when he realizes you were irreplaceable. Don't look back. He had a chance, and he blew it. Let your peace be your power. Let your glow be your goodbye. Let your silence scream louder than words. You are not bitter. You are better. You are not angry. You are awakened. The real glow up is peace, confidence, boundaries, self-worth. He lost that. He lost you. And that's the pain he'll live with. Not because you hate him, but because you love yourself. Never again will you shrink to fit someone's comfort. Never again will you beg to be seen. You are the storm and the calm after it. Make your success your message. Make your comeback louder than your heartbreak. Don't post about it. Don't explain it. Let them wonder. Let them regret. You gave your heart. Now give yourself your power. You are not too emotional. You are passionate. You are not too intense. You are real. Be proud of how deeply you loved. But be prouder of how powerfully you left. Love doesn't mean tolerating pain. Love starts with you. Reclaim your time. Reclaim your voice. Reclaim your smile. Walk through the fire. And rise like the phoenix you are. the one who rises after breaking, the one who blooms after being buried. You don't chase, you attract. You don't wait, you evolve. And now, you glow different. You walk different. You smile with no pain behind it, because he no longer controls the weather in your soul. Let him see you smile without him, laugh without him, grow without him. That's the pain, that's the lesson. The woman he ignored is now the woman everyone admires. Because she didn't break, she blossomed. You are your own savior, your own home. He may miss you, but he can't reach you now. You're untouchable, not because of ego, but because of growth. Make him feel the silence, the absence, the void. Let your glow haunt his memory. Because you were rare, and he lost you. Make him feel the pain of losing a woman who only wanted to see him win. You were his light, his calm, his anchor. And now you are your own. So walk away, queen, not with anger, but with power, with peace, with presence. He'll scroll through your photos and remember, you were magic, you were warmth, and he chose cold. Let that truth burn. Sometimes silence is more powerful than screaming. Let your distance deliver the message your words never could. Don't send one more message. Don't beg to be seen. A queen doesn't chase, she chooses. And she walks away with dignity. Let him feel what it's like to lose something irreplaceable. Because you were never just anyone. You were everything. You stood by him when he was lost. You believed in him when he doubted himself. You gave him loyalty no one else ever will. And now he must live with the fact that he lost someone who loved him purely. Watch how the tables turn, how the one who ignored you is now the one watching your glow from a distance. You are not just a memory. You are the lesson, the one that echoes in his head late at night. When he scrolls through old pictures and sees the smile he used to call his. You were always more than enough. He just wasn't ready for your depth. Let him feel the pain of your absence. Let your elevation be your revenge. You wanted a partner, not a project. You wanted a man, not a boy who needed fixing. You gave your heart. You played games, 'cause you deserved presents, not excuses. And now you've had enough. Now it's about you. Your healing, your journey, your joy. It's no longer about him. He taught you what you'll never accept again. And that's a powerful lesson. There's nothing colder than a woman who's done explaining herself. You don't need to prove your worth. You need to protect your peace. Love isn't pain. Love isn't confusion. Love is peace, growth, and support. And now you give that to yourself. Let him miss the comfort of your voice. Let him miss the warmth of your care. Let him realize that loyalty like yours is rare. He gambled your heart and lost. Now let him feel the cost. Don't dim your light. Shine even brighter. Because your glow is your power. And now it's yours again. You'll wonder if you ever think of him, but you won't. Because you're too busy building a life without him. Let him feel the silence after your love, the emptiness after your energy. You were his calm in chaos, his strength in weakness, and he let you go. That's a pain he'll never admit, but he'll feel it forever. You were the storm and the shelter, and now you're gone. He'll try to replace you, but nothing will feel the same. Because your soul cannot be copied, your vibe cannot be cloned. Let him search, let him try. He won't find you again. You were one of one, and now you're free. Free from begging, free from doubt, free from emotional starvation. This is your liberation. Let your absence become his teacher. Let your peace become his punishment. Your silence speaks volumes. You don't owe him closure. You owe yourself happiness. Don't look back. Your life is forward. Your blessings are forward. He didn't deserve the love you gave, and now he never will again. He took your light for granted, and now he lives in shadows while you rise like the dawn. You are the sun after the storm, the hope after heartbreak. Let him watch you from the sidelines, because you're not coming back. You've grown past the version that needed him. That girl is gone. What remains is a woman built from fire, from survival, from self-love. There's power in moving on, power in saying, enough. Your love was a gift, and he lost it. Don't lose yourself trying to be remembered. Let your absence haunt him. He'll never find a heart like yours again, because you gave pure, without ego, without games. But now you know better. You know what you bring, and you know what you'll never tolerate again. You are no longer broken. You're blooming, you're no longer waiting. You're walking forward. You're no longer giving chances. You're choosing peace. Make him regret not fighting for you. Make him feel the weight of your absence. Let your smile become his ache. Let your laughter become his echo. You didn't lose him. He lost you. You just found yourself. And that's the greatest win. You don't chase closure anymore. You are the closure. You don't explain your worth. You live it. And the best revenge? Peace. Confidence, glow, growth. A life so full that he doesn't fit in it anymore. Let him feel that. You don't have to scream. Your peace screams louder. You don't need to block him. Just stop caring. The moment you do, he'll feel it. Deeply. Make him feel what he couldn't see before. That you were the rarest kind of love. That loyalty like yours is irreplaceable. The care like yours is once in a lifetime. And now it's gone. That's not revenge. That's evolution. So stand tall, with elegance, with strength. Because the woman who once cried in silence now walks in power. You didn't just survive the loss. You became the storm. And when he thinks of you now, he won't just miss you. He'll ache. Because you never come back. You only rise.